It's that time of the day, guys. I'm in the kitchen and we're gonna get cooking. So in this video, I'm sharing my favourite lunchtime meal that has helped me on my weight loss journey. So watch right to the end and then like and comment and let me know what you thought. But also check out my description box below because you'll find other fantastic channels who are also collaborating on exactly the same theme. And over on their channels, you'll be able to discover lots of fantastic meal ideas to help you on your weight loss journey. So do us a favour, guys. Once you've watched my video right to the end, then go and visit those other channels. Watch their videos on their favourite lunch recipes, like and comment on those videos, but more importantly, give them your support by subscribing to their channel. And if you're on your weight loss journey too, then watch right to the end of this video for information on how you can also be part of our support loop. Okay guys, check out my video. Okay guys, so I am going to make some savoury pies using tortilla wraps, and these are just regular tortilla wraps that you can pick up in any supermarket. This is the small size and these particular ones are wholemeal. Okay, so let's get cooking. Okay guys, so my savouries are done. They're out of the oven and they're this beautiful golden brown colour and they're really quite firm and solid. So I'm going to let them cool now and then I'm going to have a couple on a salad for my lunch. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the bell, and leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what you thought of this recipe. Don't forget to like this video as well. Okay guys, I will see you soon. Take care now. Hi guys, are you on a weight loss journey and you are sharing that on YouTube? Well, if you are, you may be interested in joining our support loop. I set up this support loop. It's called the YouTube small channel weight loss support loop for people just like you who are on their personal weight loss journey, who have a YouTube channel, who want to grow but also want to support others. So if this is of interest to you and you want to collaborate with us, grow your channel and provide great, interesting, motivational and inspiring themed based videos for our communities, then check out the description box below to find out how you can be a part of our support loop. So guys, I look forward to seeing you on our support loop. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye.